Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to set up Windows Hello Pin for login a Windows 11 account. Alright, and without further ado, let's go ahead and follow the step. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click lang tayo and then kailangan mo lang select yung settings. Dito sa settings ay kailangan mo lang select yung accounts. Ito siya, so click lang natin to. And then dito sa ating account, so scroll down at select lang natin yung sign in options. So click lang natin to. Ito sa sign in options ay kailangan lang natin i-select ito, pin Windows Hello. So sign in with the pin recommended mga kaibigan. So click lang natin tong arrow na to. And then kung paano tayo mag-set up ng pin, so very easy lang talaga. So use a pin to sign in to Windows apps and services. Click mo lang tong set up. And then una, kailangan muna natin i-verify yung account natin. So kailangan natin i-enter yung ating password. Once na-enter na natin ang ating account passwords, connect mo yung key. And then susunod ay set up a pin. Okay, so pwede na tayo mag-create ng new pin. And then kailangan lang natin itong i-confirm. And then pwede naman itong gamitin natin yung include letters and symbols. So kung gusto mo itong include yung letters and symbol, i-click mo lang tong box. Kung ayaw mo naman, so uncheck mo lang siya and all numbers lang dito. Okay, so include natin. And then ito na siya. So pwede na tayo mag-create ng pin. And then confirm lang natin. Once na-confirm mo na, so click mo lang itong okay. And ganun lang po siya kasimple mga kaibigan. Okay, so makikita mo dito na change your pin, remove this sign-in option. So very simple lang. And then ang next na ito ating gagawin ay kailangan mo lang mag-restart. Okay, so click mo na itong restart or yung shutdown natin. Para makita mo yung i-enter mo lang yung ginawa mong Hello Windows pin. Alright, so ganun lang po kasimple mga kaibigan. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more informative Windows 11 tutorial. Feel free to leave any questions or comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.